Hey everyone, it's Sean from Emassagechair, and today we're assembling the Ceragem M10 massage chair. The good news is that setup is pretty straightforward and Ceragem includes all the tools you'll need, which is great because my own tools mysteriously get stolen by someone called not me. So let's get started. Before attaching the leg rest, there are two brackets on the front of the chair that need to be removed. Using the large Allen wrench, simply remove the screws and take both brackets off. Next, move the leg rest close to the chair so everything is easy to reach. The leg rest is a little heavy, so take your time or have someone help you if needed. Before mounting the leg rest, connect the wiring harness and the air hoses. It's really easy to do and you really can't mess this up. Once the connections are made, lift the leg rest into place. Make sure to lift with your legs, not your back unless you're planning to use the M10 for recovery immediately after assembly, which to be honest, I plan to do. Next, take those brackets we removed and put them back into place over the leg rest mounts. Insert the screws and tighten them down with the Allen wrench. You want to make sure that they're snug, but don't over tighten them as you could strip out the threads. On top of the leg rest, you'll see a zipper. Zip this closed so the leg rest blends seamlessly with the rest of the chair. This makes sure to give it a clean, uniform look. Next, let's attach the touchscreen. Start by connecting the USB-C cable from the tube to the post. Then slide the mounting tube down onto the metal post attached to the chair. Once it's seated fully, tighten using a small set screw and using the small Allen wrench. And this will lock the arm into place. Now grab the power cable and plug it into the port at the bottom rear of the chair. There's a magnetic cover that just snaps into place, and I have to admit it's rather satisfying. Once everything is connected, plug the chair into the wall. There is a power switch on the back of the chair behind the magnetic cover. Make sure to flip that on and the M10 will automatically power up and adjust itself into the upright position. And that's it. Your Ceragem M10 is fully assembled and ready to go. I'll be posting more videos soon on how to use it and my full review. If you enjoyed the video or at least tolerated it, hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.